Welcome back to Apple Insider, your trusted channel for in-depth and honest reviews of the latest and most unique devices in the market. Today, we are taking a nostalgic yet futuristic journey with the Nokia 1100 4G. Yes, the legendary phone that once ruled the world has made a return, but with modern upgrades that merge simplicity with essential technology. In this review, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Nokia 1100 4G, from its design and display to performance, battery, features, and whether it truly gives you value for money. So let's get started. First, let's talk about design and build quality. The Nokia 1100 has always been known for its ruggedness, and the new 4G edition stays true to that legacy. This phone is compact, lightweight, and extremely durable. Unlike fragile smartphones that demand protective cases and screen guards, the Nokia 1100 4G is built to survive accidental drops, dust, and even rough handling. Its polycarbonate body feels strong in the hand, and the iconic candy bar shape is a reminder of simpler times. The tactile physical keypad is sturdy, responsive, and designed for long-term use without losing its clicky feel. For many users, especially those tired of touchscreens, the physical keys are a refreshing experience. The phone comes in classic colors with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and scratches, giving it a clean look for years. Nokia has not tried to over-modernize this phone but instead retained its charm while upgrading it with just the right touches. In short, if durability, practicality, and classic design matter to you, the Nokia 1100 4G delivers exactly that. Moving on to the display, this phone features a small but crisp screen optimized for basic tasks. While it's not meant for high-definition video streaming or gaming, the display is bright enough for clear visibility indoors and outdoors. The size of the screen makes it power efficient and perfect for users who want simple readability without distractions. The contrast and text clarity are strong, which means even elderly users or those with vision difficulties can easily read messages and menus. There's no fancy AMOLED or high refresh rate here, but that's not the point. The display of the Nokia 1100 4G is designed to serve its purpose: simple, sharp, and easy on the eyes. And for a device in this category, it does that flawlessly. Now let's discuss performance. The Nokia 1100 4G may not compete with smartphones running the latest processors, but within its category, it is a surprisingly capable device. Equipped with 4G connectivity, the phone ensures faster calls, clearer voice quality, and stable internet browsing for lightweight tasks like messaging apps, emails, or simple browsing. The operating system is smooth and free from unnecessary lags because the phone is not overloaded with heavy applications. Navigation through menus is quick, and switching between basic functions like calling, texting, and opening apps is effortless. One of the standout performance aspects is call clarity, which Nokia has always excelled at. The audio quality is loud and sharp, making it perfect for noisy environments. This phone is designed for reliability, and it fulfills that purpose by giving you consistent and dependable performance without complications. When it comes to the camera, the Nokia 1100 4G keeps it very simple. You will not find multi-lens setups or ultra-high megapixels here, but what you do get is a basic camera that is functional for quick snaps. It's mainly intended for capturing important moments, scanning documents, or sharing something quickly over messaging. For many users, especially those who see phones as tools rather than entertainment centers, this is enough. While it will not replace your smartphone camera for photography, it provides utility without unnecessary complexity. Nokia has intentionally kept it minimal, so the phone remains affordable while still covering the essentials. Now, let's highlight one of the strongest aspects of the Nokia 1100 4G, which is battery life. This phone is a powerhouse in endurance. Thanks to its energy-efficient design, modest screen size, and lightweight software, you can expect multiple days of usage on a single charge. Unlike smartphones that demand daily charging or even midday top-ups, the Nokia 1100 4G is designed for long-lasting reliability. Whether you are traveling, working long shifts, or simply want a backup phone, this device won't let you down. The standby time is excellent, making it ideal for emergency use as well. Nokia has preserved what made the original 1100 iconic: legendary battery performance that simply outlasts everything else. Next, let's talk about software and features. The Nokia 1100 4G comes with a clean and simple interface. It includes essentials like messaging, contacts, calendar, FM radio, and even some lightweight apps to stay connected. 4G connectivity ensures that you can run basic internet tasks, and for many users who don't want the distractions of social media or constant notifications, this is a blessing. The phone is also secure, with fewer chances of malware or hacking compared to smartphones. Another important feature is the loudspeaker, which is strong and clear, making it useful for hands-free calls or listening to radio. Of course, fans will be happy to know that the phone also includes the iconic Snake game, a nod to Nokia's heritage that adds a fun touch to the overall experience. It's not overloaded with unnecessary software, and that's exactly why it feels refreshing to use. Finally, let's evaluate the Nokia 1100 4G in terms of value for money. This phone is not aimed at replacing your flagship smartphone but is designed to complement it or serve as a reliable standalone device for people who value simplicity. For students, senior citizens, or those in professions where durability and long battery life matter more than fancy features, it's a perfect fit. The pricing is highly affordable compared to modern smartphones, and considering its durability, 4G support, and long-lasting battery, it offers incredible value. It doesn't try to be something it's not. Instead, it focuses on doing the basics exceptionally well. That is what makes it worth every penny. In conclusion, the Nokia 1100 4G is not just a phone, it's a statement. It reminds us that not every device needs to be complicated to be useful. With its durable design, clear display, reliable performance, simple camera, legendary battery, and essential features, this phone succeeds in carrying forward the Nokia legacy while adapting just enough to modern needs. It's a device for people who want freedom from constant charging, freedom from distractions, and peace of mind with durability and simplicity. At Apple Insider, we believe the Nokia 1100 4G is a refreshing alternative in today's world of overwhelming technology. It won't replace your smartphone, but it doesn't have to. It gives you something equally valuable: reliability and focus. If you're someone who wants a secondary phone for emergencies, a dependable device for travel, or simply a reminder of the golden age of mobile phones, the Nokia 1100 4G is absolutely worth considering. This was our full in-depth review of the Nokia 1100 4G. Thank you for watching Apple Insider, where we bring you not just reviews but also honest perspectives on technology that matters. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest reviews.